Ducati launched the engine that will strengthen its first four-cylinder production engine, Panigale V4. For officially debuting on the 5th of November, it's not the first look we've had at the complete 1,103cc machine, which makes a claimed 210 horsepower and 88.5 lb-ft. It shows that the new model does not stray far from the look of the existing V-twin Panigale, with similarly shaped headlines, fairing and tail unit. The Ducati Panigale V4 is due to be officially unveiled in Milan at 9 p.m. on November 5th and go on sale next year. Ducati says the engine is derived from that of the Desmo Sedici GP machine.